Hello, enthusiast. Welcome to Goodness Nature, where we uncover the healing power of nature. One remedy, one superfood, and one healthy habit at a time. Let's explore the goodness nature has to offer your mind, body, and soul. Your immune system, nature's defense force. Your immune system is your body's first line of defense. A highly intelligent, adaptive network that constantly works to protect you from illness, infection, inflammation, and cellular damage. But in a modern world filled with stress, toxins, poor nutrition, and lack of rest, this powerful defense system can become overworked and undernourished. The good news? You don't need fancy supplements or extreme detoxes to strengthen your immunity. You just need 5 simple, natural daily habits, rooted in traditional wisdom and backed by science, to keep your immune system strong, resilient, and ready. Let's begin. 1. Morning sunshine and hydration. Immunity begins at dawn. How you start your day sets the tone for your immune health. As soon as you wake up, step outside for at least 5 to 10 minutes of sunlight exposure. Drink 1-2 glasses of warm or room temperature water, optionally with lemon. Why this matters? Sunlight triggers vitamin D production, which regulates immune cells and reduces inflammation. Just 10-20 minutes of natural light can boost mood, balance hormones, and support sleep, all key for immunity. Hydration supports lymphatic function, helping your body flush out toxins and circulate white blood cells. Bonus tip: add a pinch of Himalayan salt and lemon juice to your morning water for a mineral-rich immune tonic. 2. Eat the rainbow. Whole foods that heal your immune cells rely on nutrients, and they work best when those nutrients come from whole, living foods. Aim to fill your plate with a variety of colorful fruits, vegetables, herbs, and spices every day. Here's why. Orange foods like carrots and sweet potatoes, rich in beta-carotene, supporting skin and mucous membranes, your first line of defense. Green leafy veggies like spinach and moringa, full of chlorophyll, magnesium, and folate, which nourish immune cells. Purple-blue foods like berries and purple cabbage, packed with antioxidants that protect from oxidative stress. Fermented foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir, and support gut flora, which makes up 70% of your immune system. Herbs like garlic, ginger, turmeric, and oregano. Nature's antimicrobials and inflammation fighters include a mix of raw and cooked foods for optimal digestion and absorption. Remember, food isn't just fuel, it's information for your immune system. 3. Daily breath and movement. Oxygen is immunity. Movement is one of the fastest ways to activate your immune system. And it doesn't have to be intense. Start with 10-20 minutes of walking, yoga, or stretching. Combine with deep breathing, box breathing, or alternate nostril breathing. Movement boosts lymphatic drainage, blood flow, and oxygen circulation. Your lymphatic system doesn't have a pump like the heart. It relies on your movement and breath to circulate immune cells. Breathing deeply also helps reduce cortisol, your stress hormone, which, when elevated chronically, suppresses immune function. Try this. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4, repeat for 3-5 minutes. Breathe deeply, move gently, and let your body do the rest. 4. Protect your sleep, your nightly immune reset. When you sleep, your body doesn't shut down. It heals. Sleep is when your immune system produces and deploys T cells, natural killer cells, and cytokines, repairs damaged tissues, flushes brain toxins, balances hormones like melatonin and cortisol. To support immune health, aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, a consistent bedtime, ideally by 10:30 p.m. Avoid blue light and screens 1 hour before bed. A wind-down routine, herbal tea, journaling, gentle stretching. Bonus: sleep in a dark, cool, quiet room to boost melatonin, a hormone that's also a powerful antioxidant. Want deeper rest? Sip chamomile, tulsi, or lemon balm tea before bed. 5. Cultivate emotional immunity. Yes, it's real. Emotions and immunity are deeply connected. Chronic stress, anxiety, loneliness, and suppressed emotions weaken the immune system over time, increasing inflammation and lowering your ability to fight illness. On the other hand, laughter, love, gratitude, and connection are scientifically shown to boost immune markers, reduce cortisol, increase IgA antibodies, your body's mucosal defenders, improve natural killer cell activity. Daily practices to strengthen emotional immunity, practice gratitude journaling, 3 things you're thankful for each day, connect with loved ones or nature. Even a 5-minute walk outdoors helps. Laugh, dance, create, play, speak kindly to yourself. Your immune system listens. Emotional wellness is immune wellness. Kindness is medicine. Bonus: simple immune-boosting tonics you can make at home. Here are 3 quick natural remedies to support immunity. Ginger lemon honey shot, 1 TSP grated ginger juice of 1-2 lemon, 1 TSP raw honey. Warm water, sip in the morning. Golden milk, anti-inflammatory nightcap, 1 cup almond or coconut milk, 1 to 2 TSP turmeric, pinch of black pepper, dash of cinnamon. Optional: honey or ghee. Immune herb tea, tulsi, holy basil, elderberry, echinacea, lemon balm, or chamomile steep together and enjoy daily. Let plants remind your body how to protect itself. Putting it all together, the daily immune flow. Here's how a full immune-supporting day might look. Morning: wake up, hydrate with lemon water. Step into sunlight for 5 to 10 minutes. 10 minutes of gentle yoga or walking. Ginger lemon shot. Afternoon: eat a colorful whole food lunch. Add garlic, turmeric, and greens to meals. Practice deep breathing between tasks. Evening: light dinner before 7 p.m. Disconnect from screens after 9 p.m. Drink calming herbal tea. Journal or meditate before bed. Night: sleep deeply in darkness. Allow your immune system to reset. Who should be extra mindful? While these habits are gentle and safe for most, if you're recovering from illness, dealing with autoimmune disorders, pregnant, or on medications, always consult with your healthcare provider when adding new herbs, tonics, or routines. Final reflection: you are your own healer. Your immune system is powerful, wise, and ready. It just needs the right support. Instead of fearing illness, focus on building resilience. Every meal, breath, movement, and moment of rest is a message to your body. You are safe, strong, and supported. You don't have to do it all. Just start with one habit. Trust your body, trust nature. And over time, you'll feel the difference. Thank you for joining us on this journey toward natural wellness. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let's spread the goodness of nature together. Until next time, stay healthy and stay natural.